In Business Central, we have the capacity to have reminders. Reminders are when an invoice hasn't been paid on time and it can carry a consequence of either an interest or a charge. Let's search reminder terms. Here I have some example reminder terms. I've created one for domestic, foreign, an example. This domestic, you can see here, the maximum amount of reminders are 3. We're going to allow to post interest. We're going to allow for an additional fee to be charged. And we're going to post additional fee per line. I'm not going to enable that. What's the minimum amount for a reminder? We could say $500. Note above the line fee on the report. So this actually adds to the reminder fee lines. It's the first line that will appear. You have levels that are applied to each of these codes. So if we go to levels just here, or actions levels, you'll see against domestic, for domestic, we have 1, 2, and 3. Number 1, grace period of 5 days. After 5 days, the due date calculation is 1 month. Calculate interest, yes or no, and what's the additional fee? What is the fee per line? And fee calculation type, is it fixed, single, accumulated, dynamic? Okay, and for the breakdown, you can actually read here by mousing over. Again, you can add a description per line. Now, once we've got this established, that we've got these different levels of fees that apply to a reminder, we can go to related, level, and create beginning text and end text for this reminder and for the fee. You can also apply this based on currencies. So let's go to beginning text. I can see here that it's saying, we can say, please pay this account which is overdue. And I can say at the end text, and I can put a line, thanks in advance. To learn these percentages, these wildcards, you can go in here to Microsoft Learn, and under Setup, Reminder Terms and Levels, if you scroll down, it will give you what each of these means. Just here, percentage 11 is what I wanted. And so you can say percentage 1, the document date, the due date, interest rate, remaining amount, interest amount, additional fee, etc., just by using that percentage within the merge text. I can go out, and within the level, the last thing I wanted to show you is we can say whether this applies to a particular currency. And if on that currency, is there a further additional fee? So if it's in AUD, there's no fee, but as soon as we've got an overseas currency, are we going to charge additional fee per line? And that is the reminder terms.